Hello and welcome to my e-lesson. I am your guru, and in this video I'll teach you how to make a MIS report, which is a box chart type report. So we have 100 boxes over here, and these will be filled according to the marks achieved by the students. So we have three students: John Rambo, Mickey Mouse, and John Wick. So John Rambo got 92 marks, so 92 boxes are filled out of these 100 boxes. Similarly, Mickey Mouse got 68, so 68 boxes are filled. And for John Wick, 82 boxes are filled. See, their results are showing here also. If I change this, then see these boxes have changed again. I've used rand between formula to change these numbers automatically. Hence, you are seeing this changed numbers now. See? So this is how it changes, and it's very nice report. It can be used to showcase the sales results, the quarter's performance, somebody's marks, somebody's performances, area or plans performance. So we can create this very easily, and how I'll show you. I'll go to sheet 2. I have the rough data over here. Now the first thing that we need to do is we need to create those 100 boxes, all right? And that is very easy to do. I'll type 100 over here, then 99 over here, and then I will drag this till 91. Then I will type 90 over here and 89 over here, and now I will select these two cells and drag this. Okay, now I'll select these two lines and drag them till I get 1. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and start getting my report in place. All right, so I will select this and merge it from here, and I will type in is equal to. I'll show Rambo's name, then I will press and sign. I will open the quotes mark. In them I will have this symbol. Close the quotes mark, press and select his marks. So it will start showing over here like this. I will give it a slightly larger font like this. Alright. So my basic report is getting ready. So now the marks are showing over here. All I need to do is get a color over here. To get a color over here, I need to use conditional formatting, but before that I'll give it a light color from here. So in case I want to give dark orange color for the final result, so I'll choose a light orange color from here. All right, so once I've given a color over here, then I will start creating my dynamic report. So for that I'll select this, go to conditional formatting, go to new rule and click on use of formula, and now I will type in is equal to, and I'll select this cell, that F4, which is F4, is less than or equal to this. Then all the cells which are equal to this number or below this number should be colored in a specific color, which is this one. Okay, and now I will remove the dollar symbols from the first one. We are done. See, 43, 43. If I make it 85, 85. Very simple. Now I will go ahead and give a color to this one also. Say for example, like this. Then I will select this and give it a border. Okay, outer border from here. I'll give it this one also outer border. And now within this, I'll give an inner border, and we will also remove these numbers. How we will remove them? That's a good trick. So first we'll give them an inner border from here, all borders, and we will change the color of the border. Line style should be slightly thick, this one. Okay, and now this is a pencil, so I'll just press escape. I'll select all this again and give it a border again, so it will become thick. Super cool trick. Similarly, I'll change the line color. I'll make it white. This gives you a pencil. Okay, so I'll press escape, select all of this again and give it a border again, so it will come in white color. Now to remove these numbers, what we can do is that we can select these, do a right click, go to format cells, go to custom, and in the general format, I'll delete that and I'll press the colon symbol 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Click OK. Now the numbers will not be visible, but they are written over here. See, 100 is shown over here. Similarly, you can make for Mickey Mouse and John Wick also. Isn't this cool? Well, you can actually download this file with all the 3 sections done already over here from my website myelesson.org. All right? Go to the download section and download the file. Well, if you like this video, please click on the thumbs up sign and share this video with your friends. And if you want to see all my videos, you can subscribe to my channel. All my videos would be available for you. Around 1200 videos are there. And whenever I make a new video, it will be shared with you also. So until the next video, this is your Guru now signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy learning.